Hello and welcome everyone to Diecast Photography. And guys, today we unboxing the KTM Duke 690 1:12 scale model motorcycle, which is manufactured by Maisto and sold in India through Adventure Force on Flipkart.com. And more details you can find in the description. And in case you're not, you can definitely check out my other bikes unboxing on my channel. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get to the unboxing, guys. The package here is a typical Adventure Force see-through plastic wrapping here. So let's get started with the unboxing, guys. So here's a closer look at the bike, and I just like this bike because this probably has the most beautiful headlight on probably all the bikes here. The model is quite detailed here. The material used here is die-cast along with certain components made of ABS plastic. The tires are completely made out of rubber here. The movement of the tires seems quite good here and free flowing. So both the tires seem to be very good here. The handle movement is also quite good. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.